हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सबसे पहले करेंगे कुछ करंट अफेयर्स से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यू। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आपका क्या है, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट अबाउट कन्वेंशन ऑन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, सीबीडी। ठीक है, और ये कब मनाया जाता है, ये मनाया जाता है आपका मई 22। Okay, so the options are: it is a legally binding treaty to conserve biodiversity. It operates under the United Nations Environment Programme. All the parties to the convention have both signed and ratified the convention, and the CBT secretariat is located at France. So the first option is it is legally binded. Yes, true. ये legally binded है to conserve biodiversity. Second is it operates under United Nations Environment Programme. It is also correct. Third is all the parties to the convention both signed and ratified it. No, this is wrong because US has signed it but not ratified it. Okay, and the fourth option is the CBD secretariat is located in Paris, France. False, क्योंकि ये है आपका मॉन्ट्रियल में, मॉन्ट्रियल कनाडा। ओके, तो आई थिंक आपको समझ आ गया होगा। लेट्स go to the next question, which is which of the following was the theme for the International Day for Biological Diversity 2021? First option is our solutions are in nature. B, we are part of the solution. C, our biodiversity, our food, our health, and D is none of the above. So the answer is we are part of the solution. So your answer is B. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is which of the following statements are correct about the white flies? First, they are polyphagous in nature. Second, cotton is one of the worst hit crops by whiteflies, but BT cotton is resistant to them. Third is the whiteflies can only be controlled using synthetic insecticide. अब हमें क्या करना है, इनमें से जो करेक्ट कोड्स है वो देखना है। ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं। So the first is they are polyphagous in nature. Yes, this is correct. इसका मतलब क्या है कि वो various kind of foods पे फीड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, मोस्टली हर टाइप का फूड वो खा सकते हैं। सेकंड इज cotton is one of the worst hit crop. Yes, it is correct. आगे क्या बोलता है, but BT cotton is resistant to them. No, this is wrong. BT cotton भी इससे resistant नहीं है। Third is the white flies can only be controlled using synthetic insecticide. False. सिंथेटिक इंसेक्टिसाइड से ये कंट्रोल नहीं होते। ये क्या होता है, आपके जो नेचुरल इंसेक्टिसाइड में जो आपके नेचुरल पैरासाइट्स वगैरह जो इंसेक्ट्स को खाते हैं, उनसे क्या होता है, ये आपका आप उसको रेजिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो। ठीक है, सो द जो आपका सिर्फ ये सही है तो आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, ए, दैट इज वन ओनली। ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। which of the following statements are incorrect about the insolvency and bankruptcy code? So the first is the insolvency and bankruptcy code is applicable to companies only and individuals are out of its ambit. Okay, second is during the period of insolvency proceedings the debtors are immune from resolution claims of creditors. Third is personal guarantors are kept out of insolvency proceedings from lenders by a recent notification to IBC. The first, if we'll see the first option, it is saying that only companies are applicable and individuals are not. This is wrong because both are included in this code, in this act. Second is during the period of insolvency proceedings, debtors are immune from resolution claims of creditor. Yes, जब तक आपका इंसॉल्वेंसी प्रोसीजर डेटर्स वो क्या है, इम्यून रहती है। ठीक है, थर्ड इज कोई रखा जाता है बाय रीसेंट नोटिफिकेशन टू आईबीसी। रॉन्ग, रीसेंट जो आपको बोल सकते हो आप, उसमें क्या गोल किया जाता है। तो आपका जो गलत कौन कौन, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड। क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा था, मेन चीज आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है, आपको इनकरेक्ट पूछा है, आपको आंसर आ जाएगा। let's go to the next question. Section 47 of the RBI Act 1934 in news recently किससे related है? Options are regulations of cooperative banks, ways and means advances, open market operations, and none of the above. I am giving you I think अभी तक आपने आंसर देख लिया होगा या आपको पता लग गया होगा. So answer is D, none of the above, because the section 47 of RBI deals with the surplus कि कितना surplus जो है RBI गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को देता है. ठीक है. So this is the MCQs for the day. Thank you very much. And अगर कोई भी डाउट हो तो please let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day.